There are many Americans who are unhappy with their jobs. Most college graduates enter the workforce with great hope that they won't end up in the same situation, yet after a few years, they join those who are burnt out doing something they hate. You have done your best to set your child up for a great life. Their educational path has been a big part of that investment, but will it have the return you hope for? Unfortunately, we are seeing an increase in college graduates who aren't leveraging their education. As a result, millions of recent college grads have already abandoned their degree in pursuit of something more fulfilling. So, how do we change the trends societally to ensure young professionals have a clear path towards a career they love? We need them to engage in developing self-awareness of what they want to do and what life they want to live well beyond graduation. Our educational system is doing a great job teaching your child about a subject, but they are failing in helping your child learn about the most important subject, themselves. Without self-awareness, your child's career path will be a struggle, but with it, it will become purposeful. And this is where the Purpose Promise comes in. We have walked with thousands of career seekers to help them design their ideal career path and find work that they love. When your child plans an intentional career path based on who they uniquely want to be, their propensity to find a career of purpose greatly increases. When they find a career of purpose and have the tools to gain the self-awareness necessary to stay in a career of purpose, your investment in their education is maximized. This is why we have designed the Find a Career of Purpose e-course specifically for your child. This course leads them to the awareness they need to find a career path of purpose, and it gives them the tools to live their best life as their career path develops. Don't let your investment go to waste. Set your child up for success as they engage the workforce. Gift them the Career of Purpose e-course and ensure that they don't become a part of the millions of young professionals who squander their education.